Hello and welcome, everyone. I hope everybody is having a great day. It is truly an honor to present to you all today at Citrix Converge. My name is Blake Horn, and I am here with my peer, Alexander Camacho Padilla, to showcase Citrix customer success. By the conclusion of this presentation, you will be pleased to realize the true value of customer success and the various ways it can be leveraged to unlock your company's full potential. This presentation is slated for about 25 to 30 minutes. And please feel free to ask any follow-up questions as well. Without further ado, let's get started. Here's a high-level overview of today's agenda. First, I will start by providing some context and background on Citrix customer success, elaborating on its purpose. I will then move on to defining the Citrix Customer Success Manager and the Customer Success Engineer roles within Citrix, in an effort to provide more clarity on this service. Third, Alexander will talk about corresponding data analysis that will highlight the true value that customer success brings to the table. Finally, we will end with a Q&A session. Let's now begin with some context and purpose. So what exactly is Citrix Customer Success Management? Here at Citrix, customer success management plays an invaluable role in helping customers achieve the most value out of their Citrix experience. We believe that every single customer who leverages Citrix can unlock their full potential by having this dedicated team on hand, which ensures that the purchased services are being optimized in a way best catered to their goals. Citrix Customer Success Management focuses on guiding customers through their post-sales cloud journey, which speaks volumes to the robust and comprehensive benefits that Citrix has to offer. Planning, knowledge sharing, and achieving outcomes are the primary areas of focus, which ensures both present and future success for customers. Perhaps the most important aspect of Citrix Customer Success Management is the relationship building, as we strive to foster trust, communication, and collaboration with each customer. Now I want to discuss the Citrix Customer Success Experience Team in more specific detail with regards to the roles involved. A Customer Success Experience Team consists of the following: the Customer Success Manager, CSM for short, and the Customer Success Engineer, CSE for short. Collectively, they serve as an extension of the pre-sales team, but through the lens of driving Citrix Cloud adoption. This team is equipped to accommodate all aspects of a customer's Citrix Cloud journey from start to finish, and the ultimate goal is to optimize the value customers receive by leveraging Citrix Cloud services. The CSM serves as the customer's direct correspondent and trusted advisor, not only focused on optimizing the customer's current Citrix Cloud goals, but also their future success. On the other hand, the CSE focuses on more technical aspects, and Alexander will go into more detail regarding this very soon. As you can see here, this is specifically accomplished through success planning, adoption planning, and customer advocacy. Success planning naturally comes first, which entails creating a holistic roadmap of Citrix Cloud goals based on customers' business objectives, success criteria, and their corresponding timeline. Adoption planning comes next, which initiates the success plan into action by customizing a catered solution for customers and then driving its success implementation. Finally, comes customer advocacy, which hones in on the relationship developed between the customer and customer success manager, so that the CSM can look out for the customer's best interests involving future success planning. At this point, I want to talk about the specific life cycle involved in the Citrix Cloud customer journey, in which the CSM and CSE are involved in every step of the way. As previously mentioned, planning always comes first and is necessary in order to best align use cases with goals and achieve overall success. A CSM constructs a success plan with the customer by first making sure the customer has a solid grasp of their entitlements and respective function. Key milestones for this phase include product discovery, product readiness, success planning, user readiness, and solution architecture. Next is the build phase, focused on configuring the Citrix Cloud services in a way that will allow the end users to test, collect feedback, implement changes if needed, and finally pilot a program. Key milestones for this phase include solution building, deployment testing, and user pilot. The rollout phase is third. Here, the team rolls out the solution to the customer for production usage. After preparing for the planned changes, the customer can finally onboard their end users so that they can enjoy the new benefits their Citrix Cloud services provide. Key milestones for this phase include operations, readiness, user enablement, and going live. Manage is the fourth phase, where we can finally monitor how all our work has been impacting customers' workflow. The user experience is truly driven by keeping tabs on performance and capturing even more feedback. Key milestones for this phase include user experience and solution monitoring. Lastly, the optimize stage is the final step in the lifecycle, which extracts even more value out of customer Citrix experience. After implementing the new Citrix solution, business needs and a future path to success are not only optimized, but also evolving. Key milestones for this phase include progress evaluation, technology assessment, and use case expansion.
Hi, everyone. Thanks, Blake. So I will start talking about the technical side, as Blake was mentioning during the life cycle. So you also have your customer success engineers, which we are here to help you accelerate your Citrix Cloud journey by guiding you through Citrix standard architecture implementation. We would also provide you with knowledge through all of the Citrix products so you can make the most of what you've purchased. Next slide. So I want to go a bit in deep within the CSE tech guidance. We have the baseline configurations, which we would basically complete all the prerequisites configuration and basic user access testing. During our process of our tech guidance, we would actually be doing the knowledge transfer in which you can benefit from the CSE instructions and enablement, right? During our process, we would also be reviewing any risk mitigations, avoid any common pitfalls with expert-led guidance. And of course, we would value the expansion by uncovering any underutilized product capabilities. And this will give you a return of acceleration so we can accelerate service adoption, speed, and time to value. Next slide. Here, I want to talk about some of the engagements that you have available. Tech guidance, as we just reviewed, right? We review some prereqs, answer any questions that you might have, complete the baseline configuration, and then, of course, navigate through the admin console, learn how to perform administrative tasks. The other engagement available that we have is readiness review. We will review your Citrix environment, prepare for deployment. We would evaluate how ready you are for cloud. So any prerequisites, completions, and everything ready for the implementation. Of course, we would also identify potential gaps in strategy and avoid common pitfalls. The third engagement available is architecture and strategy session. So we would actually evaluate any blockage in your digital journey, map your desired outcomes to your Citrix entitlements, collaborate to develop a plan to meet your technical objectives, and expedite value and reduce risk. Fourth engagement available, it's the admin workshops. So we would actually review the latest product updates, capabilities, and identify any underutilized resources. We will learn tips for managing your Citrix administrative consoles, and of course, find any answers that you might have. This way, with the admin workshops, you're actually able to find or receive a workshop for every product of Citrix that you have, and of course, start using it. So customer success data. We would actually start seeing here some data knowledge that it's really good so you can see some of the value that the customer success management team can bring to your organization. So some of the metrics that we have here, so you can have a better understanding of the upcoming slide. It's FAU, also known as first active use. So it's the milestone reached when active use reaches above 2%. And time to FAU, it's days spent from the subscription purchase to reach above 2% of active use. Now, here are some data that actually talks for us, right? So how long is the onboarding without a CSE? So normally the FAU, or the first active use, average in the Americas region is 73 days. And with the help of a CSE is 46 days. So it's actually almost cut in half the time spent that your company's resources are gonna be configuring Citrix and of course start using it. We are here to help, and of course we want you to be successful and start leveraging all of the Citrix products that you purchased. And here we have the Q&A. So me and Blake are here in case any of you have any questions.